I'm about to show you two videos. One is a viral ad with millions of views. The other, made by AI in 3 minutes. Can you tell which one is real? Seriously, look at this. The lighting, the camera movements, the pacing, almost identical. This is TopView Video Agent, and it's changing how we create video content. Full disclosure, TopView reached out and asked me to test their platform. I'm not being paid a flat fee, but I do have an affiliate link in the description if you want to try it. What you're about to see is real. I'm going to take viral videos, the ones getting millions of views, and recreate them for a completely different product using just AI. No video editing, no production crew, no camera, just prompts. Let's see if this actually works. Here's the problem every marketer faces. You see a video go viral. It's got the perfect hook, the right pacing, the emotional beats that make people stop scrolling, and you think, I need to make something like this for my product. So what do? Option 1, hire a production team. Budget, $5,000 to $10,000 minimum. Timeline, weeks. Option 2, try to recreate it yourself. You're learning video editing, finding actors, renting equipment, shooting, reshooting, editing for days. Option 3, just don't. You stick with static images and hope for the best. None of these are good options. What if you could just show an AI a viral video and say, make this, but for my product? That's what TopView Video Agent does. It analyzes viral videos, the script structure, the camera angles, the pacing, the visual style. Then it recreates that exact format using OpenAI's Sora 2 engine. You're not copying the content. You're using the proven format and applying it to your message. Let me show you how this actually works. Head over to topview.ai, link in the description, sign up for an account. They have a free trial so you can test this before committing. Once you're in, you'll see the TopView dashboard. Here's what caught my attention immediately, the ad library. This is a massive collection of viral ads. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, all the ones that are actually performing right now. You can filter by industry. Let me select e-commerce. Look at this, thousands of ads with performance metrics, views, engagement, conversion data. This isn't just a video library, it's a playbook of what's working right now. You can also check trending to see what's blowing up today. And they have use cases showing different industries and styles: fashion, tech products, food, services. Now here's where it gets interesting, the Video Agent feature. This is where we're going to recreate viral videos. Click Video Agent in the top menu. This is the interface, super clean. You can either paste the video URL or upload a video file directly. Let me show you both methods. First demo, I'm taking a viral skincare ad that has over 5 million views and recreating it for a completely different product. Let's say a productivity app. Go back to the ad library, I found this one. Perfect hook, great pacing, strong CTA. Copy the video URL. Go back to Video Agent, paste the URL. Now here's what TopView does. It's analyzing the video structure. AI organize your day. Submit. Watch this. TopView Agent is generating the video. It's recreating the visual style, adapting the script to my product, matching the pacing and camera angles. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and here it is. Look at this. The hook is similar to the original, same energy, same pacing, but now it's about task flow instead of skincare. The camera movements, almost identical to the viral ad. The script structure follows the same emotional beats, but tailored to productivity instead of beauty. Let me show you the side-by-side comparison. Left side, original skincare ad. Right side, AI-generated productivity app ad. The visual flow is nearly identical. The pacing matches. The style is consistent. If you showed these to someone without context, they'd think both were professionally produced. This is the aha moment. The AI didn't just make a video, it recreated the winning format and applied it to a completely different product. That's powerful. Let me show you the second method, uploading a video file. Maybe you saved a viral TikTok or Instagram reel you loved. You don't have the URL, just the video file. Go to Video Agent, click Upload Video. I've got a viral food delivery ad saved here. Super engaging, fast cuts, great energy. Upload the file. TopView is analyzing it the same way. Script, angles, pacing. This time I'll recreate it for a SaaS product. Let's say an email marketing tool. Product, Mail Boost. Description, AI email marketing platform that writes, designs, and sends campaigns automatically. Target audience, small business owners and marketing teams. Key message, your marketing runs on autopilot. Generate. Again, about 2 to 3 minutes. And here's the result. Same fast-paced energy as the food delivery ad. Let me show you a few more features that make this practical for marketers. Go back to the dashboard. Click Use Cases. TopView has pre-organized templates by industry: e-commerce product launches, app demos, service explainers, fashion and beauty, tech reviews, real estate. Each category has examples you can use as inspiration or starting points. Now go to Trending. This shows you what's performing right now across platforms. These are the videos getting the most traction today. You can see view counts, engagement rates, which platforms they're performing on, the format, and style. This is market research built into the tool. You're not guessing what works, you're seeing real data. And here's the workflow this enables. Step 1, browse trending or ad library to find a format that's working. Step 2, paste the URL into Video Agent. Step 3, input your product details. Step 4, generate your video. Step 5, download and post. The entire process, from inspiration to finished video, takes less than 10 minutes. No editing software, no production team, no reshoots. Just AI doing the heavy lifting. All right, let's talk about what actually works here and what doesn't. What I love about TopView Video Agent. First, the quality. These videos are built on OpenAI's Sora 2 engine. The visuals are realistic, the movements are smooth, it doesn't look like janky AI-generated content. Second, the ad library and trending features. This isn't just a video generator, it's a research tool. You're learning what works before you create anything. Third, the speed. 2 to 3 minutes per video. That's insane compared to traditional production. Fourth, it actually understands video structure. It's not just slapping text on visuals. It's analyzing pacing, emotional beats, camera angles. The recreations feel like the originals. Where it has limitations, you're limited by what Sora 2 can generate. If you need hyper-specific visuals, like an exact product shot with specific branding, you might need to edit those in manually. The free trial has usage limits. If you're generating dozens of videos, you'll need a paid plan. It's best for short-form content, ads, social media videos, reels. If you're making long-form YouTube videos or documentaries, this isn't the tool. Who should use this? E-commerce sellers who need product ads fast. You can test multiple formats quickly without blowing your budget. Social media marketers who need to keep up with trends. See what's viral today, recreate it for your brand tomorrow. Content creators who want to repurpose viral formats without manual editing. Startups and small businesses who can't afford production teams but still need high-quality video content. Who should skip it? If you're creating long-form content, this tool is optimized for short videos. Bottom line, TopView Video Agent delivers on its promise. It recreates viral video formats quickly and accurately. The quality is genuinely impressive. If you're spending hours editing videos or thousands of dollars on production, this is worth testing. Link in the description. They have a free trial. Test it yourself. Stop spending weeks on video production. Start recreating what already works. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.